So just a quick tutorial today on formatting your removable drives so it works with the PlayStation 4. So first I'm just going to show you what might already been. See, this is NTFS. It needs to be FAT32. There's a way you can format it straight through here, which you can use this, but it doesn't always work. So today I'm going to show you a different way. So first you need to go down to your start, CMD, then you want to run this as administrator. And up here you just want to type format, space, FS, FAT32, and then next you're going to choose the drive you're using. So mine is F in capitals. Just check to make sure so I don't format any of the drive. Yep. Then you just want to press enter. So then you just want to press enter again. And there you go, it's verifying. This can take quite a while, so I'll just pause and come back when it's done. So that's mine done. It can take a long time, mine did. But just to make sure it worked, go to your computer, go to properties on the drive, and there you go, file system FAT32. So now that's the way it is. It should work in your PS4. I hope I helped. Subscribe if I did, and I'll see you in my next tutorial video. Sorry about the microphone, but it's all I have to work with right now.